Vocabulary. Animals. Look at the photos and complete the puzzle. What's the mystery word? 2. Find and correct the mistakes in 5 of the sentences. 1. That animal might to be a chimpanzee or a monkey. That animal might be a chimpanzee or a monkey. 2. Maybe that's a glacier in the photo. 3. The waterfall can be here, it's too dry. The waterfall can't be here, it's too dry. For that bird can't be an eagle, it's too small. 5. Perhaps that the people scared all the animals away. Perhaps the people scared all the animals away. 6. The mountain range in the picture could to be the Himalayas. The mountain range in the picture could be the Himalayas. 7. Those might be a bear's footprints on the ground. 8. That's definitely no a mosquito bite, it's too big. That's definitely not a mosquito bite, it's too big. 3. Underline the correct alternatives. 1. The rainforest is home to 30% of all animal and plant life on Earth and 2.5 million types of insects. But it is disappearing because people cut down the trees for money. We don't know how fast it is disappearing, but satellite pictures show that it might be 15,000 kilometers every year. Some scientists think the rainforest could disappear completely by 2080. 2. We aren't sure exactly how many people died during the tsunami, but it was, perhaps, as many as 1,000. The tsunami destroyed large parts of the city, and the complete reconstruction of houses and other buildings might take 10 years or more. 3. Everyone knows Venice, it might be Italy's most famous city, but now it has a big problem, being built on water, it is now sinking into the water. The situation is very serious, sad smiley. Maybe Venice will be completely underwater in the next 60 years. For because of global warming, the ice is melting in the Arctic, and some scientists say there might be no ice there by 2060. Many animals that live in the Arctic, for example polar bears and foxes, could be in danger. Learn to give yourself time to think. 4. Put the letters in brackets in the correct order to complete the conversations. 1. A. Are you coming to the party tonight? B. Well, I hope so. But I have a lot of homework to do. 2. A. How do you stop this machine? B. That's a good question. Perhaps it's that button there. 3. A. Who do you think is going to win? B. It's hard to say, but Manchester United are a great team. 4. A. Where were you yesterday at 4:00? B. Let me think. I was at home. 5. A. How old is Lena? B. I'm not sure. Maybe 30 or 35.